Good evening, all of you. Welcome to Hyderabad. My name is Krishna Yadav. I belong to UP at Ayodhya. So this class is my first class in your Hyderabad. So I will be discuss about the atmosphere. Geography topic, atmosphere. I am teaching in this class GS class. Understand point? GS class, geography class. So this is the first class geography. First is started. I am going to start the atmosphere. Understand point? So look in this here. Atmosphere. Atmosphere. Yes. Atmosphere is there are 5 layers. There are 5 layer atmosphere. Sorry. There are 5 layers. First layer is troposphere, and second is stratosphere. Stratosphere. And third is mesosphere. Sorry. Third is mesosphere. Mesosphere. Understand point? And fourth is, what is fourth is? Thermosphere. Thermosphere. Understand point? And fifth is exosphere. What is exosphere? Exosphere. Understand point? There are 5 layers. There are 5 layers. Atmosphere. There are 5. First, troposphere, stratosphere, and mesosphere, and thermosphere, and exosphere. Understand point? So there are 5 layers. Depending upon temperature. Depending upon temperature. Understand point? Have any problem? Yes. Right now. No, I am belong to UP. Nearest Delhi. Understand point? So today I am traveling 2000 kilometers in this air by air. Okay. So today I will be teaching you. Yes. How many time in traveling flight? 5 years. Sorry. 5 hours traveling by air. today because today is raining in this air. So 2 or 3 stopping landing flight. Then today I will be late in this air. Neither I will early in this air. Yes, no. Your face is very reflected this air. All guys attractive them. So your face is very reflected. So you can wearing a mask. So you're looking nice. Raheshi Reddy. Yes, wearing your face. Good. So this is atmosphere. Understand what? Atmosphere is there are 5. First, look in this here. First, troposphere, stratosphere, and mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Understand point? So next is all student write in this here. Which I am right in this here. You can write. Have done? Yes, next one. First is troposphere. And the here look the catching the power. Oh wow. Look the map. This is first troposphere, and second is stratosphere, and third is mesosphere, and fourth is thermosphere, and fifth is exosphere. Understand point? So first is troposphere. First is troposphere. Understand point? This is the first. Troposphere. What is the troposphere? I am living in this air. You look around your atmosphere, that is troposphere. You living in this air, you troposphere. Understand point? So look in this air. This is troposphere. Look in this way. It is considered as the lowest layer of Earth atmosphere. Lowest layer of Earth atmosphere. Understand point? And look in this here. Troposphere start a surface of the Earth and goes up to 7 to 20 kilometer. You going to above. This is the Earth only. If you start Earth going to sky, so 7 to 20 kilometer is the troposphere. 7 to 20 kilometer is the troposphere. Understand point? In sky. 7 to 20 kilometer is troposphere. troposphere. Understand point? Got it? Air never remain a straight in layer. Therefore, a layer is called changing stage tropopause. Understand? Troposphere. And next is all weather occur within layer. All weather happened in this air. Which in this air? Troposphere. In any happened rain, climate change, and air condition. So that is any and volcanoes. It's all about the happened in this troposphere. Understand point? So all weather occur in within this layer. So you can say that this point, all weather happened within in layer. Understand point? Any happened related to weather, like or rain, temperature decrease and increase. So that is in this layer happened to weather. Understand point? So this layer is called as troposphere. Understand point? So next, this layer has water vapor and mature particles. Troposphere happened to water vapor and mature particles. Understand point? Temperature decreases at the rate of 1 degree Celsius of every 170 meter of the height. Understand? Temperature decrease if 1 degree Celsius you going to upper. Let us, if you want to go to sky, so 175 meter you go into sky, so your temperature is decrease 1 degree Celsius. Understand point? So there this is called, and he said that temperature decrease 1 degree Celsius for every 175 meter height, less rate. Understand point? So second is tropopause. Tropopause separate. Which type of separate? First, troposphere and stratosphere. This line, tropos. This line, one minute. Troposphere and stratosphere. Stratosphere. Understand, right? Between this, so separate. Understand point? This line is separated. Tropopause separates troposphere and stratosphere. Understand point? And next, look in the cell. Look. Stratosphere. Stratosphere is looking at second one. Stratosphere is the very important for your life. If you going to long distance by air, so your aeroplane is going to stratosphere, is flying stratosphere. Understand point? So look in this here. It is second layer. Stratosphere is a second layer. Understand point? of atmosphere found above the troposphere. Found above the troposphere. This line above the troposphere is found. So it is the second layer of atmosphere found above the troposphere. Understand point? This extent. What is this extent? It's extend up to 50 kilometer height. 20 to 50 stratosphere. This distance 20 to 50 kilometer distance stratosphere, troposphere and stratopause. Its distance is 20 kilometer to 50 kilometer distance. Understand what? This distance up to 20 to 50 kilometer. Understand point? This layer is very dry, contain and little water vapor. You look in this here. Stratosphere is a very dry. Understand point? And containing the little water vapor. Look, raining. You anytime you look the raining water vapor. Understand point? This layer provides some advantage for flight because above the stormy weather and has steady, strong horizontal and wind. Understand point? And stratosphere, in stratosphere में it is found as the ozone layer. You know that ozone layer it is protect to me and all about the you living in the troposphere from rays, sun rays is coming to in earth, so you protect to ozone layer. Understand point? So the ozone layer is found in this layer that absorb UV and safeguard earth from harmful radius, which is the release sun harmful radius. So this layer, ozone layer, is protect to us. Understand point? And stratopause separated stratosphere and mesosphere. This lane, stratosphere and mesosphere. Understand me? Stratosphere and mesosphere. This between this stratopause. Understand point? Next. One minute. One layer is the left, mesosphere. Mesosphere is the left. If either not look in this here, so this is topic is the left in this here. Understand? So it is the third layer. There are third layer. Understand point? Troposphere and stratopause and mesosphere. Mesosphere, understand point. That is, and then thermosphere and exosphere. So mesosphere is found above the stratosphere. Stratosphere. Where is it found? Where is it found mesosphere? Mesosphere is found above the stratosphere. Understand point? This layer above stratosphere. Understand point? This is the troposphere above the mesosphere. This is so. Okay. The mesosphere starts 50 kilometer above the surface of the earth, goes to 85 kilometer. This distance is 85 to 52. This distance 50 kilometer to 85 kilometer. Understand point? By 80 kilometer reach 100 degrees Celsius. If you are going to sky 85 kilometer, then your temperature decreases the 100 degrees Celsius. Your temperature decreases the 100 degrees Celsius. Understand point? If you are going to above in sky, like you above the stratosphere, so your height is 85 kilometers. Understand point? You above the 85 kilometers, so your temperature decreases the 100 degrees Celsius. Understand? This is 100 degrees Celsius. Metamorph burn up to layer. The upper limit is called the mesosphere, which separate the mesosphere and thermosphere. Mesosphere and thermosphere separated by the mesosphere. This is between mesosphere and thermosphere. Between mesosphere. Understand point? Have any problem? Anybody? Next layer. Next layer is a thermosphere. Thermosphere is a very important. Thermosphere. Heated temperature. This layer is found above the mesosphere from 80 to 400 kilometer. This layer is a height in sky 85 to 100 kilometer. 85 to 100 kilometer is thermosphere, heated area. Understand? Radius wave which are transmitted from the earth, reflected the black by this layer. Radio wave, like that I am using the earphone and calling and this listening song. So radius which is generated, the radius, this layer, thermosphere. Thermosphere is release. What is release? Radius. So radius is found in this air. Thermosphere में, in thermosphere, this area is found radius wave. Temperature increase with height. All back to temperature decreases, but in this area temperature increases. If you are you are going to 85 to 400 kilometer, your temperature is increases. In this area found as volcanos, ulka pind, understand? Aurora and satellite occur in this layer. You establish a satellite, our scientist is going to this area to satellite establish. So aurora and satellites occur in this layer, understand point? So next is this layer. This layer is aurora and satellite. Good. Satellite, understand point? This area found in the satellite. Thermosphere. Next topic is exosphere. Exosphere, atmosphere is the last point. Understand point? Exosphere is the last point of atmosphere and sky. If your flight is going to in this air, so you cannot find that where I am going to this area. You forget the earth. If you are going to in this area, your flight, you forget them. Understand point? So it is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. It is the outermost. It is the topmost. Outermost layer is the exosphere. Understand point? This layer. First, troposphere. Second, stratosphere. Third is mesosphere. Fourth is thermosphere. And topmost is exosphere. Exosphere. Understand point? This is the last atmosphere. Outermost layer. The zone where the molecules, this zone where the molecules, atoms escape into space and mentioned as the exosphere. Understand? This layer is found as the molecules, atoms escape into space mentioned as the exosphere. All the included in the atoms, this area. Extend from the top of the atmosphere, thermosphere, 1000 kilometer. If you are going to 1000 kilometer in sky, so you got it the exosphere. Understand point? If you are going to 7 to 20 kilometer, you got the troposphere, and you live this time in earth. So this is that is the troposphere. And if you are going to 20 to 50 kilometer, so you got the, so what? You got the what? Yes, it is stratosphere. And 50 to 80 kilometer, then mesosphere, 85 to 400 kilometer, then you got to what? Thermosphere, and above the exosphere. Understand point? So this topic is completed, and all about the, yes, 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 as far as my concerned, this is right for you. Neither you not understand point. This is right to me, my own opinion. This right to in this area. Understand point? If any confusion, you can talk to in office. Understand point? Yes, you tell me. First, troposphere. Troposphere is happened at the, yes, rain. Rain look that, and next layer, stratosphere. If you are going to the aeroplane, you is flying in this aeroplane, so maximum plane, yes, flying in stratosphere, and next is mesosphere. Mesosphere, high temperatures, yes, and thermosphere, then exosphere. Understand point? Have any problem? Got it? If any confusion, you can discuss to me in office. Understand point? Have any problem? No. Good. So this class today I'm stay. Okay. So this class is ending in this air. So okay, bye bye.